We've talked about a lot of areas of visual material planning and scheduling, capacity planning and scheduling, product definitions. Let's focus on how visual helps you answer a question that comes up from your customers all the time. And that question is, when can I have my product? Let's see how we might answer that question right as we're entering that customer order. So here we've started a customer order. Let's add they are looking for a particular product. And immediately I have information about where I stand on the quantity for this product. Well, I have one on hand. Boy, I need a lot more than one. This customer on this order is looking for 10 pieces, and they've told me that they'd like to receive those around 7:15. So, how might visual tell me if I can meet that date? Well, before I even save this order or anything, I can come in here to schedule availability, and visual will go look at my schedule, in this case, the standard schedule. Here's that date the customer said they wanted it and the quantity. We can check to see if we have the materials that are required based on how we described that product. We also will be able to see if we have the schedule available time and capacity on that schedule. So let's go look. Visual has evaluated what it takes to make this product, what it takes to make 10 of them in material and resources. Put that against what I currently have in material, what I might have coming, and what available capacities I have in the resources required to make this, and has come back and told me, you can't quite promise 10 of those for the date they wanted. Here's the best date for all 10 of those. You might decide, well, when can I get a single first article? First article I can have to you by 7:15. I have the capability right here to drill in and find out what exactly is causing that delay. Is it materials? Is it capacity of those resources? Helping me to focus on what I might do to alleviate those constraints. In this example, we're looking at the availability to fulfill a customer order. We could be using this same functionality during estimating so that I can tell my customer not only the price that we're giving them for a quote, but what their lead time, the availability to ship looks like. Visual can give you the best date available in quoting and estimating, in customer order entry, and throughout the life of an order. Let's pull up an order that's in progress. From a customer order entry side, here I can see not only what I promised, but what the current finish date is for the job that is supporting this particular sale. Now, we're not just talking flat lead time. What I've stated as the lead time, we're looking at the current availability of resources and materials to determine what that best available promise date or capable to promise date is.